You know you are uptown when? 30 things to know about Uptown Jamaicans. If you didn't know, yes, there are in fact 2 Jamaicas, or maybe 3. Uptown, downtown, and the rest of Jamaica, also known as country. So let's have a little fun as I describe 30 things only Uptown Jamaicans say or do. Yes, these are all stereotypes and not intended to be taken seriously. Enjoy. You know you are uptown when you complain about the quads and off-roaders on the streets of Norbrook on the weekend. They are so annoying. You shop most definitely at Loshusan Supermarket or in Manor Park, one of the centers of Uptown life. You vacation in Trinidad during the carnival season. Your parents speak a sort of demi-patawah. They speak with a Motty Perkins accent. You go to blow by blow to get your hair done, as it is way too long to wait at another hairdresser. You enjoy cocktail parties at the Regency. You often retreat to the Strawberry Hills Hotel on weekend for brunch. Your workout spot is either Gymkhana or the Spartan Health Club. You receive a recipe for your hemp, aka ganja. You have a helper's quarters, and you consider Millicent a part of the family. Bacon, eggs, and pancakes are a standard breakfast. You always prefer to watch a blockbuster at Sovereign and not Carib 5. You have heard downtown is a more affordable place to shop. God forbid you miss a day of yoga at Chai Studio. You would go completely mad. You complain constantly about the state of Jamaica, but you would rather chill on your yacht than vote. You prefer to visit Maiden and Lime Cay by way of yacht to soak up the sun. You shop for all your clothing abroad, usually Miami. You never rock weaves but rather prefer to have ear extensions. You enjoy electronic dance music and EDX. It was awesome. You attend Hillel or AISK. God forbid you mix with ordinary folks. You turn your nose up at people who bleach and instead visit the dermatologist for chemical peels, those awful brown spots. Kale and quinoa are the eat foods. Can't live a day without them. You hardly watch local television. It is too depressing. Skiing and hiking are some of your favorite pastimes. You say things that Jamaica is so pop down and constantly make comparisons to other places you visited on vacation. You are distraught about the recent police killings of African Americans in the United States, but are unconcerned about similar matters in Denhamtown. Where is Denhamtown anyways? You would never be caught dead on the JUTC, where is the nearest bus stop. The only taxi you know are from the on-time taxi service. Halfway through is the furthest south you have been. The best part of the local newspaper are the social sections. I can't believe so-and-so made page 2 again. So all my uptown folks, no offense intended. You understand? It's all in jest and fun. But peeps, if you think me leave off any, if you know any uptown linky where you know how them do them thing and there are any stereotypes that I did not mention, please feel free to drop them in the comment section. Make we talk about it and have a laugh, eh? Look over. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.